sunny. Today feels strangely different already, and my heart suddenly feels a little nervous. Mia, yesterday you looked strangely quiet, and suddenly walked home without even smiling warmly.
Elara.
Breakfast smells wonderful today, and everyone downstairs already started missing your cheerful morning smile.
Your beautiful smile feels quieter today, and Dad suddenly started feeling a little worried.
Yesterday, Mia never answered my message, and suddenly stopped waving goodbye after school ended.
Sweetheart, sometimes friends become quiet because hidden feelings hurt their hearts very deeply.
Elara, our friendship always feels special because you understand my feelings very carefully every single day. Maybe Mia feels angry with me somehow, but honestly, I still cannot understand why.
Elara, whatever happens today, remember your beautiful heart always deserves honest and gentle friendships.
Usually, Mia walks beside me here every morning, and our conversations always feel wonderfully happy. Please, I hope Mia still wants talking together today, because missing her already hurts deeply.
Mia, why are you suddenly leaving again before even looking carefully into my worried eyes?
Every morning, Mia always saves our classroom seats together, so this suddenly feels painfully strange today. Maybe I accidentally hurt Mia somehow, but honestly, I cannot remember doing anything mean.
I really miss talking beside Elara, but right now everything suddenly feels confusing and painfully difficult. My heart keeps feeling strangely heavy today, because Mia still refuses smiling warmly beside me. Class, sometimes difficult feelings quietly distract our minds, but kindness always helps hearts feel stronger.
Maybe. Lunchtime finally gives me another chance speaking honestly with Mia again today.
Elara, please do not follow me today, because everything feels emotionally confusing inside my heart currently.
Why does Mia suddenly sound frightened around me, when our friendship always felt wonderfully safe before?
Elara, sometimes quiet hearts carry painful secrets, especially when friendships suddenly begin feeling different.
Mia is secretly crying alone outside. But why would she suddenly hide painful tears from everyone? Maybe Mia feels hurt deeply inside, and nobody else quietly understands her painful sadness today.
Please stop looking worried right now, because I already feel emotionally confused and exhausted.
Mia, seeing your tears quietly hurts my heart deeply, because your happiness always matters very much. Yesterday, somebody secretly placed this drawing inside my backpack, and everything suddenly changed afterward.
The drawing made me believe. Maybe you secretly stopped wanting me beside your other classmates anymore.
Mia, I would never leave you feeling lonely, because our friendship honestly means everything to me. I never expected both of you discovering the drawing together before school finally ended today.
Chloe, did you secretly create this drawing because you wanted Mia becoming afraid and emotionally distant?
I never wanted hurting anyone deeply,
but my feelings suddenly became painfully confusing and lonely recently.
Your eyes suddenly look deeply sad too, so maybe something painful happened inside your heart. Watching your friendship together every day secretly made my lonely heart feel invisible and painfully forgotten. Sometimes, I noticed Chloe sitting alone outside, but honestly never understood her hidden sadness completely before. Please, can we finish talking somewhere quieter before everybody suddenly starts misunderstanding everything too?
When I saw that drawing yesterday, my heart suddenly believed our friendship quietly started disappearing forever.
Mia, nobody could ever replace you, because your friendship always makes my happiest memories feel brighter. Seeing your friendship heal again feels beautiful, but suddenly my own heart feels even lonelier now.
Chloe, nobody deserves feeling invisible, especially when their heart quietly carries painful, lonely feelings every day.
Honestly, I expected both of you becoming angry instead of speaking kindly beside me today.
Chloe, your drawing hurt my feelings deeply, but honestly, your sadness also feels painfully real now.
Maybe this drawing caused painful misunderstandings, but honestly, we still can choose kindness together afterward. Do you think somebody like me could someday still deserve real friendship and honest happiness again?
Real friendships sometimes break painfully, but caring hearts can slowly heal together again afterward.
Girls, this classroom suddenly feels emotionally heavy today, and your faces quietly look deeply overwhelmed right now.
Mrs. Carter, a painful misunderstanding quietly made Mia believe our friendship suddenly stopped caring about her anymore. Sometimes, painful misunderstandings grow quickly whenever lonely feelings quietly remain hidden inside our hearts.
I created the drawing because loneliness quietly made my heart feel angry, invisible, and emotionally forgotten afterward.
Chloe, loneliness can hurt deeply sometimes, but hurting others never truly heals painful hearts afterward. Creating something beautiful together today could help your hearts slowly heal stronger than before afterward.
Maybe all of you still allow me helping create something beautiful together beside everyone today?
Creating something together could become the beginning of a happier friendship for everyone now. This empty canvas can become something beautiful whenever caring hearts decide creating happiness together again.
Maybe our painting could show friendships becoming stronger after hearts finally learn understanding and forgiveness together. These birds can remind everybody. Friendships still fly beautifully after storms finally pass away peacefully. Today, my heart finally feels included somewhere instead of quietly standing lonely beside everybody always. Oh no! Now my face suddenly looks like part of our colorful painting too today.
Honestly, this painting quietly feels brighter and kinder than many beautiful artworks hanging throughout our school already.
Our painting suddenly feels special because everybody added kindness after sharing painful feelings honestly together today. Maybe our painting could hang somewhere beautiful, so lonely students remember friendships still heal after difficult moments too.
That thoughtful idea could quietly help many students feeling lonely, nervous, or emotionally misunderstood during difficult school days.
That beautiful painting deserves careful hands tonight, especially after bringing everybody closer emotionally together already.
The birds together look really happy. Because nobody inside that painting suddenly feels lonely anymore afterward. Lonely feelings quietly hurt deeply, but caring friendships can slowly appear when hearts stay open afterward. Yesterday, my classmates suddenly stopped eating lunch beside me, and everything afterward started feeling painfully quieter inside school. Maybe tomorrow could become brighter if somebody new quietly chooses sitting beside you during lunchtime again.
Your dinosaur backpack looks really cool. And so, which giant dinosaur becomes your favorite one most often?
This little flower sticker can stay with your backpack. So tomorrow maybe feels slightly less lonely afterward. Thank you, nobody really gave me something kind like this during school before today, honestly.
Friends,
Yeah.
the front entrance doors close very soon, and your family's probably already started waiting outside now.
Do you ride the same yellow school bus every morning before classes quietly begin inside school usually?
Tomorrow morning, you can sit beside me during our bus ride before school starts again, happily together.
Really, tomorrow suddenly feels much less scary now, because somebody finally wants sitting beside me afterward.
Elara, sweetheart, I became worried because school suddenly felt unusually quiet and completely empty tonight afterward.
Look, Mom, we finished it. It says friends forever.
Your cheek looks like a tiny blue cloud today.
Mom,
Noah felt lonely today, so tomorrow morning he will ride beside me during school bus time.
Noah, kind friendships sometimes arrive unexpectedly, especially after difficult emotional days quietly happen inside school.
Noah. I worried because the school looked completely empty when I finally arrived outside tonight afterward.
That little flower somehow makes his backpack feel happier, almost brighter than earlier today, honestly.
Dad, they painted beautiful friendship birds together, and tomorrow Elara promised sitting beside me happily afterward.
Tonight, your kindness quietly helped my son smile again after many lonely afternoons inside school recently. Tomorrow morning suddenly feels brighter already, because Noah finally found caring friends waiting beside him afterward.
Maybe our painting quietly healed many lonely feelings, instead of only fixing our misunderstanding together afterward. Good night, everybody! Tomorrow finally feels exciting instead of lonely and scary inside school again.
Elara, I feel deeply sorry for doubting our friendship instead of honestly sharing painful feelings earlier together.
Mia, real friendships sometimes become stronger after people honestly share hurt feelings and forgive completely afterward.
Chloe, you belong beside us too, because caring friendships always leave space for healing hearts afterward.
Nobody ever said something this kind before. When my heart finally feels welcomed somewhere safe tonight.
Thank you for watching Elara Daily English. Please subscribe, like, comment, and kindly share our videos always.